Hey guys, it's Full Flowers here, back with another video. Welcome. In this video, we're going to check out price prediction and review for RAMP token. So this is currently trending on CoinGecko, and I have no idea what this token is. That's why I decided to do this video. I want to learn more about this token, and I also want to give some kind of like price prediction just for fun. You know what I'm saying? I like to document my journey, so let's go, guys. Very excited for this one, and let's look at the max here. So this is a fairly new coin, October 2020 listed on here. From 1 cent to almost 70 cents. That's very good gains here. Look at here, 5,400%. So you can get it on Binance, it seems. Let's check out on their website. Then we're also going to check out on Twitter. Okay, so RAMP DeFi. Maximize capital efficiency on staked digital assets. Earn staking rewards, unlock liquidity from staked assets, and stack multiple yield streams at the same time. Well, this just sounds insanely good. What is this? Okay, so launch app. Let's check out here. Okay, so collect MetaMask here. But problem, an inefficient US $300 billion market cap. With the rapid growth of the staking economy, global staking market cap has struggled to exceed 300 billion. However, staking by itself is not capital optimal as it gives bond-like returns, while users have to also deal with fluctuating asset prices. Staking also results in substantial asset values locked into illiquid positions. There can be much better ways to maximize the volume and returns on these assets for asset owners. Solutions: collateralize staked digital assets into liquid capital. Users can exchange their RUSD into, well, just let me read it. So users deposit yield bearing asset. What the fuck? Why it goes so fast? Please, man. Are you kidding me? Users deposit yield bearing assets into RAM smart contracts, which redeploys what? These assets in the staking or yield farming on behalf of users. Users mint RUSD stablecoin Ethereum against these delegated yield-bearing assets as collateral. RUSD minted can be deployed in the DeFi protocols to stack multiple yield streams, generating higher income. Well, that design is fucking piece of shit, guys. What the hell, guys? Are you kidding me? Like, this is just like a drawing here. I'm going to read it. This makes me angry. It's stupid. Why it's move? Like, why is it moving? Why is there no option that you can just stop it moving? When I try to click it, it's just crazy. Why make it so stupid? So user benefits. We help users to double dip and achieve higher capital efficiency. You will love it. Well, I hate this piece of shit. So what's happening here? I hope the app doesn't have that kind of stuff. So cross-chain liquidity breaches mint liquid capital chain against staked digital assets on Ethereum and the other networks. Retain staking rewards. Users continue to receive staking rewards on their staked digital assets. Yield stacking. Earn yield from multiple revenue streams and farm ramp. So this looks very cool, but let's see here. Let's look at Twitter. Look at the light paper. Investors. Arlington XRP, IOS, Ruby Capital, team and advisor. The RAM team and advisors are seasoned professionals with rich experience across blockchain, artificial intelligence, and investments, and have previously served in the following organizations. Okay, so this is just, yeah. It's funny because team, how off-leading is this? Teams and advisors. The RAM team and advisors are seasoned professionals with rich experience across blockchain, artificial, and have previous served in the following organizations. Well, it looks like these are, if you just come here and quickly look, teams and advisors, JP Morgan, Microsoft, like that. But if you really read it, they have worked in these places. I think that's kind of like BS, but whatever. So it's just my opinion anyway, so who cares? So anyway, so quarter 4, here's the roadmap. Well, they have put a lot of effort on this side, that's for sure. So Cont, Ramp Vault, Ramp Alliance, Backbone program, Ramp governance structure, decentralized of Ramp governance, onboard new blockchain ecosystem partners and protocol integrations. Oh no, again this type of shit. Okay, so Tomo Chain, Tezos, Injective protocol. Well, there's a very impressive ecosystem partners and protocol integrations, that's for sure. But ecosystem partners and protocol integration, Elrond, Solana, Icon, Stone DeFi, Nulls, Moonstake, Midnix, Crust, Alliance, Block. There's really good tokens here and really good partnerships and protocols if this is true. Ramp DeFi ecosystem. Ramp DeFi focuses on developing seed protocols and that act up as building blocks to the power of the Ramp ecosystem and cross-chain liquidity transfer. So user wallet, asset deposit in the R-stake, the general yield. R-stake returns measure the yield back to users and rewards users with Ramp tokens into their ERC20. Okay, so this so it works. So you stake, I mean, it's vaults. Okay, very fucking confusing. I'm just stupid. Maybe that's it. Yeah, this looks very cool. But what is there no team? Like, where is the team here? There's no. Who is behind this? How many people are behind this? There is no privacy policy here. That's stupid. Because you should always have privacy. Ramp DeFi unlock liquid capital from your staked digital assets. So let's look at the. So here's email, contact team at rampdefi.com. So executive summary. So there's no abstract here, or is this? It seems that this is so the growth of the finance ecosystem in 2020 has been explosive, despite DeFi being the almost unknown concept in 2019. So according to data from DeFi polls, while it took 2 years for DeFi to reach $1 billion in total local TVL, as of Q1 2020, it looks DeFi TVL spiked from 1 billion to 17 billion, 17x increase. Look here, crazy stuff. The boom was very crazy. I'm not going to read it anyway. So this definitely looks, if you can make if you can make more money here, and if you're with stable money staking, that's crazy. I don't really understand like all the concept here. I have no idea. A lot of people follow this Ramp DeFi, so I'm going to definitely follow this. Anyway, boom, boom, boom. That's that. It looks cool. Let's see what people are saying on Twitter here. I see how many of you missing the opportunity to buy Ramp today based on the bad experience with Lena, but you can't convert it. Lena was pumped over. The people are telling me about it's going to pump in price. New Binance listing, Ramp definitely. So been observing many recent Binance listing Big Bang with the announcement and subsequent full retrace looks like the best strategy is to offload it immediately after the announcement. Look at this, just crazy. For a long time on the smart exchanges, take it down very hard because the whales get some liquidity to unload their coins for coins that had no equivalent time. It's more going over. Yeah, that sounds that's cool. That's cool, man. So Kevin Cage ramp volume after Binance listing 1 hour candle. What? Crazy stuff. I also think VC ramp get back over $1, even $2 in the future. Was at 5 cents at the beginning of this year. 65 cents definitely has pumped a lot. Yeah, look at here, 5 cents, even 4 cents. Crazy stuff. Looks very promising. I don't quite understand like what's happening with that. It wants to momentum mask here. Yeah, guys. I'm definitely no expert on the when it comes to yield farming and this type of stuff. I don't really it's very fucking complicated. I'm waiting for a solution that just simplifies the thing, and I think that if there's going to be all the time new ways to do it, but that looks very promising. Definitely. Just comment down below why like if I missed something in this video, and why if you think that Ramp token is like the best thing since sliced bread. Anyway, it just pissed me off that the website had that type of like scroll up thing. I don't know why it pissed me off so much, but maybe because I've created websites, so many websites, and I don't understand why the fuck would you create like that. Like that does the user, like the creators, do they use the website themselves? Like if you try to read it, what the hell, why it scrolls so fast? Anyway, maybe it's mobile optimized. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. This was a weird video. And anyway, thank you so much and see you in the next videos, guys. Okay?